Hey guys, Elvin here. So today we'll be unboxing the GAN251 UI UV. So this is the first GAN 2x2 Smart Cube. And I brought my friend here, Cuber, so he
Hello.
will be unboxing with us as well. So actually I'm pretty excited for this cube. Are you excited for it?
Very.
Very. So let's get into it. Okay. Felt like this is like a GAN 12 UI, the box. It does, right?
Yeah.
But it's just instead of a 3x3, it's a 2x2. So pretty interesting.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh.
Okay. So in the box, it comes with the card, the cube, and the accessory box. So let's check out the accessory box first. So what's in there? So we have the charging pod, a charging cable,
Then that's
charging
the pod.
pod.
Yeah.
Like this is completely new. I don't know how it will work charging it, and the bag and adjustment tool. So there's no GES nuts for this.
Oh, then it's just.
It's just a not. What is this? This is a cylinder adjustment tool. I don't know what is it called. And then as well as the obviously the GAN
SIM
13,
card.
the GAN 13
SIM.
GAN 13 to 14 adjustment tool. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then we have the what's this? How to solve the cube and how to use the smart cube. Okay. Okay. It comes along with both Chinese and English. So let's check out the English. So, alright, it's pretty simple how to use the charging port. Okay. Alright, let's move it to the side now. So, let's check out the cube. So, comes with a GAN 11 M Pro box.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Okay.
I never knew there's a logo on the yellow.
Okay, that's one thing I noticed that they added this wireless. So, I think it means that you can, it has to be like this, charging it. So,
I think so, yeah.
yeah, so let's do some first turn. Okay, so I know few EG algs, EG full EG, so I can do some EG algs with this. Okay, wanna do some first turn?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yo, I like it.
Is it similar to the GAN 251 M Pro?
Very.
Very, so yeah, most likely. So let's try connecting it to the app. So okay, I forgot where's the Cube Station app right now. Okay, there it is. So I don't see that it's blinking right now. Do you see any blinking?
No.
But we'll see in the Cube Station app. So okay, um, okay, start. Okay, so let's try finding it right now. So we'll just skip most of these parts. Okay, more cube. Okay, if I turn it right now. Okay, so I think it's doesn't have any battery. I think it's like no battery. So we'll just charge it, guys. So we'll be right back. We'll charge it for like 30 minutes, maybe 15 to 30 minutes,
Yeah.
and let's see if it's gonna connect to the Cube Station app. I'll see you guys later.
1 hour later.
So we just it's already fully charged. So let's try connecting it into the uh let's to the Cube Station.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, so it has a gyro. What?
Yes.
It's actually pretty interesting. Okay, let's try doing something right now. Oh, wait, some solves. So I think it's insecure. I know full EG, so let's see how fast I can. Dude, that's actually a good layer. That's my EG again.
Oh my.
Okay, let's try some CLO with this with this cube. Oh,
Oh.
so CLO is actually really good with this cube.
Yeah.
नहीं ना ये लोगो ये कस्टमर ये लोग मैंने तुम्हारा आपेलो छे
Okay, na pa.
This one.
This one's distant.
मैं लोग करनी बात नहीं करी जीवाले लोगों में मरी नहीं पाछे पे फीडबैक फ्रॉम फ्लैट पे उतरी
Not bad. So,
Sheesh. I
first
like
impression?
it's as in the turning is so good.
Yeah, I agree with you, GT. So the turning is really smooth. I was not really expecting it. Really good. I think this is the best 2x2 smart cube in the market. I think,
Yes.
my opinion. It can handle harsh turning, but I think one flaw I don't like is that it's a bit loose out of the box. So
But
like really
it's-
loose.
But it's a good cube.
But it's still a good cube though. I kind of forgot that algo, but it's alright. There's not a problem. Wait, what?
What?
I don't know what is that a solution, but it's fine. That's pretty interesting. So yeah, I think this is better than the Weipo Moyo Weipo V5 AI, the
Mm.
Smart Cube version. I think this is better compared to that one. But I think this is the second Smart Cube 2x2 in distant. Okay. Let's try getting a sub one right now,
Oh,
guys.
sub one.
Let's try. It's so lucky. Okay.
I see a little boy.
I don't. I'm used to EG. Okay, I messed up my EP. Okay. Okay, I forgot that EG, but I'll try revising my EG UGs, guys. So, but this cube is actually kind of really suits. Okay, I messed up.
Stand scrambling, bro.
Yeah. Okay, it's similar scramble.
yes
Okay. Yo. Whoa. Yo, 14!
14 turns.
14 turns. What?
1.63. Damn.
No way, no shot. I don't EG2, so screw that. Okay. Okay, that's kind of bad. Okay, last one, guys. Not bad. Alright, so final verdict. The cube is really good. Like, this is like, I think this is the best in the market right now. Get as 2x2 smart cube. So, what's your final verdict, GT Cuber?
I like the fact that you can spam fast DPS.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Like, I think it's like better TPS spammer on this one compared to the Moyo Weipo V5, the Smart Cube one,
Yeah.
2x2. So yeah. Anything else?
No.
All right. Yeah. Since this is a really good cube, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.